Hello everybody, thanks for joining me, welcome back. I forgot to record an intro when I was at Red Rose for this video, so I'm recording it now from inside my kitchen. What I've got for you today is a driver's point of view of the Class 2 reversing manoeuvre, the S-shaped manoeuvre that you've got to do to pass your test. I actually put a head cam on for this and recorded it, and I kind of talked you through it. Now, I am a learner, you know, I'm not an instructor. This is more for a guide, you know, it's just showing you what to expect. To be honest with you, if you're worried about the reversing like I was, it's actually not that difficult at all. And I mean, you will be surprised. If you can reverse a car, you can reverse a rigid, a Class 2 wagon or a Class C wagon. Not saying anything about Arctics, that's going to be a completely different kettle of fish. I'm not looking forward to learning how to reverse them. I don't think they're going to be easy in the slightest. But this video, 2 points of view, well, 2 videos, both from a head cam point of view of the reversing manoeuvre, and I've got my instructor from outside video camera in me doing the reversing manoeuvre as well. As I say, I'm still a learner, not a professional, I'm not an instructor. This is just a bit of a guide as to what you're expected to do on the reversing manoeuvre. The little reflector on the right, which I point to, which I say that this is what I'm trying to get into the yellow box. I don't think you're going to be able to see that, but if you've ever noticed when you're driving around behind a training vehicle, they have little yellow pegs on the mudguards. They're the same thing as what the reflector is for us. They don't put pegs at Red Rose, they use the reflector, because as soon as the reflector gets to the yellow box, which is in your line of sight on an angle downwards, if that makes any sense. So if I'm looking over my shoulder, the reflector's here and the white box is all the way over there. If the reflector's touching the white box like that, then I'm perfectly in it. So that's the way they do it at Red Rose, but at different places they use the peg on the mudguard. So that's what I mean when I say that. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope it teaches you something. I hope it calms your nerves if you are nervous like I was. I was absolutely petrified when I first got in the wagon. If you like my content, please subscribe and drop me a comment below. I'm doing my full training series from start to finish. I'm going to be doing my CPC module 2 and 4, and I am also going to be vlogging once I get a job. I'm going to be telling you how much all this training cost me, how easy it is to get a job, lorry driving once you've got your license and all that stuff. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in there. Okay. Right. B cone there. A cone there. One spot. Off. I want to get as close to A1 as I can. So I'm going to check my left-hand mirror because B and A1, or B and A, are in a straight line. Then I'm going to use my windscreen to check. Stop there. Handbrake on. Into reverse. So as soon as I start moving, I'm going to look into this bottom mirror, and that yellow line is classed as my curve. So I'm going to put left lock on straight away as soon as I start moving. Checking both mirrors. I'm going to wait for first red cone to show up, second red cone, keep coming round until I see the third cone on the grass at the back. Straighten up. And now I'm looking for the second cone with the pole in it, and that's what I'm going to follow round whilst checking both mirrors. Keep it coming. Aiming for the bay. Ooh. Straighten up and go straight back. Now I'm looking, that's orange repeater there. I'm looking for that to get to the top of the yellow line. As soon as that gets there, it's going to be a little bit lower for you than it is for me. I'm going to put my handbrake on, put it into neutral, stop my engine, and then I'm going to get out and go and have a look. Get out and go and have a look. Oh yes, we're perfect. Check that out. Happy?
I'm happy with that.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
That's that done. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope it helped. Right, we're going to have another go. Both mirrors, blind spot. Off we go. I'm going to get back into the middle of the A and A1 cone. Handbrake into reverse, and then we go all the way back. So what I'm going to do is that cone there, B, I want to try and get as close to that as I can when I'm moving forward, and that lines me up with A cone, because I want to be as close to the left hand A cone as I can be. The left hand A cone, yeah. That's good. Handbrake on. To neutral. Let this lady go first. Alright, second gear, mirrors, blind spot, forward. As I go, I'm going to check my mirror for how close I am to that A cone there. B cone, sorry. This is A cone in front of me. Check my windscreen mirror. I'm going to stop the, I'm looking at that mirror there. Handbrake on, into neutral. Okay, reverse, all round checks. As soon as I start moving back, I'm going to put all left hand lock on, following that yellow line and not crossing it, while still checking my left hand mirror. First cone with the pole in it, checking that mirror. Second cone with the pole in it, looking for the third orange cone that's just going to pop up, checking that mirror there. Straight back, and now we're aiming for the second pole, the furthest one away. And we're going to opposite lock, right hand down. Whoa, we're getting a bit bouncy. And then we're just going to guide it in nice and bonny. Nice and bonny. Whoops. I'm waiting for that reflector to come to the yellow box. That should do. Handbrake on, into neutral. Happy days.
Okay.
Brilliant.